planting trees in memory of COVID victims. This was Health Secretary and other G7 health ministers at Oxford Botanic Garden this afternoon. There may be an increase in cases at the moment, but he says he's tracking actual hospital admissions.
We have been able to make this progress, but the Prime Minister at the start of the roadmap said that it was going to be cautious and irreversible. That is our goal, and so you'll understand why we're taking steps cautiously and carefully and looking at the data all the way through.
The big decision on what happens on the 21st in England will be announced a week on Monday. That's the 14th. Data, not dates, remember? Scotland's First Minister says data is all that matters.
I remember just a few months ago getting pelters, excuse the lack of technical language here, pelters because I wouldn't say, at the time Boris Johnson did, that the pandemic would effectively be over on the 21st of June. And I stood here and said, I just couldn't say that right now. So I'm not going to sort of give people certainty that doesn't exist.
Meanwhile, theoretically, the vaccine rollout could now include all teenagers. The UK regulator, the MHRA, has approved the use of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine in children aged 12 to 15. It's now up to the Vaccines Committee to give it the green light.
Transmission is rampant in schools and is rapidly leading to the spread of the Delta variants across communities. And this has led to many schools having to close down bubbles and schools having to close down entirely, which leads to educational disruption. So vaccinated children reduces the impact of that.
The Delta variant is the new name for the Indian variant, which is now dominant in the UK. The next few days of data will have a big impact on the date when restrictions are lifted. Simon Viger, 5 News.